What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another video, and by the time y'all can see what this video pretty much about a Camaro. It's like a POV, but it's like I'm gonna show y'all what y'all gonna expect if you're gonna get a Camaro. So let's get to it. As y'all guys can see, we need gas, right? So yeah, if you wanna get you a V8 Camaro, just know, bro, you're gonna stay at the gas station. Like, I literally just put gas in this thing for like 2 days ago. I barely drove it, like, you know what I'm saying? Where I'm from is like almost $4 a gallon. It's like $3.99 to be exact. Some stores have cheaper gas, so that's where I'm heading to. Like, I got like, last time I checked how much mileage I had left, it was like 22 miles. As y'all can see, it's pretty low. I'm trying to see what they doing, because I gotta go left. Yeah, it's like I gotta go like 5 minutes 5 minutes out to get gas. Just it's cheaper gas. It's like $3 and some change. $3.02, something like that. Woo! I was finna bust it though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I was finna bust that motherfucker. I ain't even gonna lie. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up though when I'm driving. Full throttle. It's like that just tapping it, like they just giving a little, like just playing with it, you know what I'm saying? Like nothing too crazy. I ain't got no gas, I'm trying to floor it, so you know I wouldn't do that. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I do like another little acceleration, cause there ain't too much going on right now, cause I ain't got no gas. So stay tuned. Left lane campers, bro. Left lane campers. Left lane campers, bro. Like, I gotta get in the right lane, so I ain't really tripping. Anyway, bro. Okay, so we just arrived at the gas station, as y'all can see. Guess how much money I'm finna put in the tank. I'm let y'all guess. 20 bucks. As y'all can see. Told y'all, about $3 a change. See, in the town or in the city, it's $4. It's $4, but yo, like $20. Pretty much $20. I'm gonna give y'all guys a walk around. See, y'all got that walk around. Look nice. Look nice. $20. Now we're gonna stop it at. I'm gonna stop it at 25. I'm gonna give it 25 today. I'm feeling generous. Cause I gotta make a little drive. It's a little chill out here, but. Oh guys, stay tuned. See? Okay, and just like that, that's how much. What I put $26.42 in here. All right, that's how many miles we get. 112 miles. All right, so that's what y'all expect. Like I said, for what I just got gas at, it is $3.99, as y'all can see. So that's how much $26.42 get you, you know. So if you look to get a V8, and I feel bad for the people that got higher gas prices, because sheesh, you probably wouldn't came closer to half a tank. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm driving. Let me put this location in. All right, so chat, we got a 25-minute drive. Let's go. Pick that chat. Limousine like on Forza. Only OG. Well, they got it in Forza Horizon 5 now, but only OG people really know. Let's hit this road, baby. Let's hit this road. Like I said, I got a 25-minute drive. Remember, I had 112 miles in the tank. So when I get to my destination, I'm gonna tell you how many miles I got left. Do a little something for y'all. Just listen. That thing, bro. Cactus and sauce. Cactus and sauce. Listen to that motherfucking talk. That motherfucking talk. But alright, guys. Alright. I ain't gonna keep dragging. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Look where we ended at, goddamn. At the lake. On some cool shit. On some cool shit. You know what I'm saying? On some cool shit. LA girl. Oh, man. So like you seen in the clip before this one, we made it to the location. Let's see how many miles we got left. 105. So I burned 7 miles on the way here. And I wasn't really driving too crazy, so, and it was like a 25-minute, well, from where I was, it was probably like a 20-minute drive, so that's pretty good on gas mileage. Let me show y'all guys this view though. Let me cut this motherfucker off. Show y'all guys this view though. Look at this view. Y'all just imagine this view. Look at this fucking view. Nice. And I came from back that direction. I was gonna record for y'all, but I think I'm gonna record on my way back, so y'all can see the view on both sides. It's pretty crazy. Hell yeah. Yeah though. Y'all see that motherfucker though. Great, it's down there for y'all. Hey chat. As y'all see, it's another day. I ended up not recording because it got too late. I didn't expect I was gonna leave that late. I would check the mailbox and then I'm gonna give y'all guys a code start or what to expect from a Camaro V8. Oh shit, SS. So Instagram, SS Black. If you're not following me already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. This code start. Y'all can hear the car on the cold start as it's quieting down now. I'm gonna let the car warm up and then I'm gonna give y'all guys some downshifts. Okay guys, so the car just idled for about 10-12 minutes, so everything should be good to go. I should be ready to get in and drive. Okay, so I get with y'all guys when I'm driving. Okay. Should I put it in M mode now? Let me see. Which way I want to go? Yeah, I'm gonna put it in M mode for y'all guys. Roll the window down just a little bit. God damn. I'm about to send that car. It's a whole sidewalk right now. Whole sidewalk. Y'all ain't no down shit. I told you them down shit crazy. Nah, I'm gonna go right. Tell them down shit crazy. Them down shit is crazy. You hear me? It do have a Burbertum. It ain't nothing too crazy from factory, but it does sound good. It does sound good. But yeah, amazing car. Caught trailer in left lane unmarked. Let's see if I can get y'all guys some burgers. Definitely is the feds in front of me. Right there. On the cover. Dang, I couldn't get the zoom right. But I'm finna order some McDonald's, guys, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Okay, guys, so y'all hear this motherfucker, alright? See, we went in line, you know, the second window, mobile order type shit. You know what I'm saying? Finna get that food. Finna get that food, you know. Yep, I'm next. Y'all stay tuned, though. As y'all see, chat, I thought this shit was recording slow motion. Y'all see, chat, we just picked up the food, got the sweet tea, no ice, got that $5 meal, double cheeseburger with the fries and the nuggets. Yes, sir. Let me get my ass out here where I goddamn smacking something. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like low carbs, bro. You have a hard time trying to see. That's one thing to spit out of Camaro. It do sit low, high hood. And I also drive with my seat. I drive with my seat all the way down because I'm like 6'2", you know. I'm like 6'2", so I drive my seat all the way down. So it's kind of, it's not hard. It's not that I can't see, but it's just like, put it like this. Let your seat all the way down and all the way in back ends versus all the way up. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. Like you can see, you can tell the difference. But should I give y'all guys a pull? I'm gonna give y'all guys a pull on the main road. On the main road. Y'all ready? I spun like hell. I ain't gonna lie. I spun like hell. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm doing something interesting. That shit sounds so good. I ain't gonna lie to you. God damn. I had looked at them, they looked at me type of situation. But I hope y'all guys liked the video. I'm gonna end it off right here because I really ain't got nothing else to say. But if you need more of that video, comment down below and Make sure y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so when I drop another banger. Peace.